2004 Kia Spectra rear bumper paint job. Primer time. I'm using this Duplicolor Perfect Match scratch filler primer, and I'll be using Duplicolor Universal Silver Metallic and Duplicolor Protective Coating. I wanted to stay with the whole Duplicolor line. So it talks about 2 to 3 light coats. So here we go. First one will be a light, like a light tack coat. Gotta shake it some more. Shake it if you want to. So, yeah, let's see here. Let's go with this one. I don't know how much you guys are seeing in the sunlight. Alright, it's coat number 1. Let it sit up for about a couple minutes. Give it 5 minutes. Light tack coat. Can't say nothing for this area right here though. Oh. Alrighty, so that's the light tack coat. That's number 1. It's blazing hot outside right now. About 85 degrees. This should dry pretty dang quick. Let's see here. See what the can says. Apply to 3 light coats, 8 to 10 inches apart. Yeah, I'll wait 5 minutes. So that's a light tack coat. Alright, I'll see you in 5.